guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Blackbox extension in Chrome browser. So to do this is pretty simple. Head on to Google Chrome and search up Blackbox extension. So you can also go to extensions and head on to your Chrome Web Store. After searching in your Chrome Web Store, just search Blackbox AI and add to Chrome. So here, just gonna add the extension right now. And as you can see, I have been able to turn on my sync and add an extension. So right here, let's just pin it right here. So here, Blackbox AI is going to be ready for you to use whenever you're at your disposal. So for example, you can copy text and make it into images. So right here, it's pretty simple. You can message Blackbox. So can you make a text into a picture? So there you go. It's going to include context, of course. And as you can see here, for OCR, you're going to use your Alt S for Windows and Command E for Mac. So Command E. So as you can see, it's gonna just sign it right here, and it has a VS Code extension and many much more. So this is how you're gonna use your own Blackbox. So hi. So right now it's pretty buggy. I don't know why, but it's supposed to work as it should. So you can add your own pictures, for example. So it's trying to reconnect right now, so I think my internet's pretty slow. So from there, it's just that simple, and you can place it right there. So it's copied now, and you can place it on Blackbox AI. So it's gonna work usually, but right now it's not. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.